What's going on, guys? Two-way gaming here, and we are doing a 300k pack opening featuring
FIFA RaPiDz 99, Timeout gamers.
And I'm gonna do 3 of these 25k packs.
Timeout gamers do 3, and I'll do 3, and then we'll do best if we still got money left. We'll still open the packs.
But guys, earlier I did get Bale, and I have got a team of the year, David Luiz, and a Neymar.
Show the team now.
So.
And
I'll skip this first pack, and we get
Cazola. There'll be enough one at the end.
Transfer.
Please, is it a bit more? Is it a bit? I'm going to take a K. Sorry, all one club. Cazola will go for a bit, won't it?
I don't know.
Come on,
next pack, and we get. Come on.
Campbell.
Delafeo.
Yes, Campbell. It's been
Last pack for me.
Last pack. Come on.
Come on. Another Bale. Bale.
Someone at end? No.
So now it's FIFA RaPiDz. Timeout gamers now.
Max. Oh my god.
Can you get some of the spit?
Roll.
Yes, boys. Come on, lads.
First pack in form.
First pack in form.
Put him on the transfer list. Put him on the transfer list. Even the crappers one.
Now just stop. Just quick sell rest.
Quick sell. So first pack we're getting in form from me.
Next pack
so
we get.
Let's start 4 times.
Skip.
Let it roll again.
Let it roll again.
Oh, you better roll again then. Yes.
Buffon.
Decent.
Woo!
Charge, quick sell. Quick sell it.
Yes.
Yeah,
quick sell, you fucking retard.
One more pack for you.
Quick sell. Quick. Wildcat. Retweedy. Starring club.
FIFA RaPiDz 99.
FIFA RaPiDz 99.
Slow down a bit.
Yes, slow this pack opening down.
No,
Hey, Pillow.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Guys, I am getting a new episode coming, so be sure to check that out as well. Ooh. Swear to God, if I get any more silvers, I will freaking rage.
Now, through the bumper.
It's Turbo.
Turbo.
Quick sell, just quick sell. Back to me.
There's no more packs.
I know, but there's we've got.
3 7.5Ks, and I'll open 3. Yes, we'll just keep going until we run out of dosh.
And we get Schweinsteiger!
Get in, lads! Get in!
Yes! Be quiet.
Echo!
I just quick saw Schweinsteiger.
Shoot it! I saw him in quick sell, dude! No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't. Oh my god.
I actually did.
You didn't.
I actually did. Oh, silver.
I
actually
No, he didn't. I'm not fucking lying. Nah, he didn't. No, he didn't.
I did.
I'm not lying, John.
I really did.
On my mum's life. I'm not lying. I saw him quick sell it. You are flipping joking me.
I didn't. I've got one more part left. I actually did it.
You are joking. You are flipping joking me, Joe. You've had a right day for packs. I'm gonna get Serena, for fuck's sake. I can't believe, Joe. Take my gamers packs. Nah, I'm having a look.
Can't believe I quick sold Schweinsteiger.
What are you doing? Come back. You have not quick sold Schweinsteiger. You have not quick sold Schweinsteiger.
I have quick sold
I'm
Schweinsteiger.
sure you did. You have not.
No way.
You are joking me.
I can't believe it. Just open the packs. It's not good for viewers, this. Just open the packs. Skip this one, please.
Backer.
I don't want any backer. No, backer goes for quite a bit. JK rolling.
Is your pack nice? Last pack?
No, he's got another. He's got another one after this.
As if you flipping quick sell.
Shut up! You're making the pack look bad.
Oh, I can also, yeah! Oh. Because we're getting crap players. Maybe you're getting flipping contracts. Quick sell. So, guys, he did quick sell Schweinsteiger.
Just shut up and get on with it.
Flipping heck and flop. The flipping X-Melt.
Quick sale.
If I get messy,
If I get messy,
well, you might as well quit some because you flipping quick sold Schweinsteiger.
shut up! It was accidental. I meant to start in club and I pressed the wrong one. I'm gonna sell that controller now.
He's already smashed one today. I'm only kidding.
I actually have. PSG. I don't care about PSG. Last pack, Keegan.
Wait, what do?
Just open the pack.
Elbow clap. Don't see it. I'm not looking. Please. Are you fucking joking? What did you want looking?
Starting club.
Joe.
Back to Joe, the one who did end up quick selling Schweinsteiger. Nose pack.
Can you quick sell Schweinsteiger? I can't.
No skip.
I can't spay. I want a free pack.
Oh.
Fernando.
You know, when you get a free pack, you know you've got Ronaldo straight away, boys. You just know.
Just carry on. You do. I can't believe you just quick sell.
We're gonna get. Ooh.
I don't care anymore. We just opened 300k. We got Schweinsteiger. And then you just went, you know what? I clicked the wrong button. We got Vince! Holy
Calm down.
Might as well quick sell frickin' Bale.
Shut up.
Might as well. If you quick sell Bale, I will flipping kill you. Might as well sell the team and buy more packs.
No, that is not ever happening.
Might as well you open the last three then.
Come on, please get someone good.
Because you just quick sold.
Schweinsteiger.
That is right.
Oh my god!
Is that good? No.
Didier Drogba, the best player on FIFA.
Are you mad?
Funny. Faggot.
Can't believe it. Oh, for God's sake, Clint, what's he doing?
Quick sell the bastard.
Don't swear on YouTube.
Shut up, faggot.
Let's pick over the pig evening. And we're going to let it roll.
No, we're not. Skip it, quick.
Okay.
See, I told you.
God.
You get better when you skip.
We've wasted all our 300k. And the best player. Let's open a silver pick. If we get it, like.
If we got an informed silver, that's all right. Informed kit.
Oh, it's alright. I know it's not a shit. Shit, how much is it?
It is Newcastle. Don't expect anything from Newcastle. And guys, could we hit 10 likes on this video? Especially.
7K.
Shut up. Especially because I quick sold Schweinsteiger. So hit that like button.